Hello everyone, I welcome you all again in this series of real number. And in this series of lecture, we will try to find out whether a rational number is terminating or non-terminating. So for that, we have to do the division. We have to perform the division and try to convert that rational number into decimal. And if after the decimal the number is terminating, it will be terminating. Otherwise, it will be non-terminating. So, what we have to do? We have to perform the division, like if it is 3 by 2. So, by dividing 3 by 2, we will get 1.5. Means we have to convert the fractional number into decimal number. And then if we find out that after the decimal, if the number is terminates, like here only 5 is there, it terminates, it will be terminating. And if it is non-terminating, like if I take example 7 by 30, so it will be around 0.2 and 3 bar. So you can see here 3 is repeating itself, so it will be non-terminating and repeating number, isn't it? So here we have seen that we have to perform the division, convert the given number into decimal, and then only we can find it out whether it's terminating or non-terminating. But how good it will be if we can find it out without performing the division. Means by just having a look, can we say that a given number is terminating or non-terminating? So answer is yes, we can. How can we identify? So let's say I'm having a rational number P by Q, which is terminating. Now, what we have to do? We have to focus on the denominator part. That means on Q. If the Q is in form of 2 or 5 or both, then we can say that it's terminating. That means if we generalize it, it will be 2 to the power a. Q should be, that means denominator part should be in form of 2 to the power a and 5 to the power b, where a and b are any integer number. Okay, then we can say that it's a terminating number. And the rational number will be non-terminating if the Q is, that means the denominator contains any number other than 2 and 5. Means it doesn't matter whether 2 and 5 are present in denominator or not. There should be any other number. So we can write in non-terminating recurring number, there should be 2 to the power a and 5 to the power b and k, where k is any number other than 2 and 5. Okay, so this is the condition for non-terminating recurring number. So let's take some example. Okay, I'm having a number. I'm having few numbers. Let's say 3 by 2 and 19 by 5 and 7 by 30 and let's say 3 by 10 and 7 by 9. Okay, I'm having these number. Now we will check their denominator part. Okay, and on the basis of that denominator part, we will find their form, whether it's terminating or non-terminating. Okay, non-terminating recurring number. So here, see, the denominator in 3 by 2 is 2 only. Okay, so as 2 is present, we can write it 2 to the power 0, 2 to the power 1 and 5 to the power 0. So it is in form of 2 and 5. So of course it's a terminating number. Now in 19 by 5, the prime factor of 5, the denominator, is 5 only, or you can write 5 to the power 1 and 2 to the power 0, as 2 to the power any number having power 0 will be equals to 1. So again, as it is in form of 2 and 5, again it's a terminating. We can say it's 2 to the power a and 5 to the power b. Now 30, if we convert 30, if we find out the prime factors of 30, it will be 5 and 2 and 3. So here you can see there is one more number present other than 2 and 5, that is 3. So it's non-terminating recurring number. Similarly, in 10, you can write 2 into 5. Again, only 2 and 5 is present in denominator, so it's terminating. And in 7 by 9, if you find out the prime factors of 9, it will be 3 into 3, as there is neither 2 nor 5. So again, it's non-terminating and recurring number. Okay, hope this is clear to everyone. Now if you want to check it out, just try to find out their decimal forms. Okay, 3 by 2 will be 1.5, which is terminating, so it's correct. Now 19 by 5, its value will be 3.8. Again it's terminating, so again it's correct. Now 7 by 30, it will be 0.23 bar. So it's, of course, it's non-terminating recurring number. Now 3 by 10, it will be 0.3 terminating, and 7 by 9, it will be 0.7 bar. So of course it's non-terminating recurring number. So here we have seen the condition that we have generalized a bit before is true. Okay, so I'm giving you one more time explaining the same. If the denominator, that means denominator part q, if it is in form of 2 to the power a and 5 to the power b, where a and b can be 0, can be 1, can be 2, and integer number, so this will be terminating rational number. And if the denominator, that means q, is in form of 2 to the power a, 5 to the power b, and k, where k, as I told you, is any number other than 2 and 5. Okay, then it's non-terminating recurring number. Okay, so let's do some example by your own. For this I'm giving you two questions only. The first one is 17 by 6 and second one is let's say 9 by 20. Now don't do the division. Now without performing the division, try to find out whether these two numbers are terminating or non-terminating and answer me in comment box. Okay, goodbye.